In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create memories in Google Photos. If you want a simple way to organize special moments and keep your favorite pictures together in one place, Google Photos makes that very easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to put everything together smoothly so your memories feel organized, easy to revisit, and ready to share later if needed. To get started, open the Google Photos app on your device. Once you're inside the app, look for the plus icon and tap it. This is where Google Photos gives you options for creating something new, and it's the starting point for building a memory collection from your photos. After tapping the plus icon, choose Album. This option lets you group photos into a dedicated space, which is perfect for collecting images from a trip, celebration, family gathering, or any other moment you want to preserve. Creating an album also helps keep your library neat, especially if you have a lot of photos stored in your account. Next, begin adding the main details for your album. You'll want to enter a title, add a description if you'd like, and start selecting the photos you want included. The title should be something clear and easy to recognize later, while the description can give a little extra context, such as where the event happened or what made the moment special. Even a short description can make the album feel more complete when you come back to it in the future. Then add your desired photos, give the album its final name, and tap Save to organize your special moments. As you choose your images, try picking the ones that best tell the story of the occasion. You don't need to include everything, just the photos that capture the highlights and make the collection meaningful. Once you save it, your album will be stored in Google Photos, making it easy to browse whenever you want to relive those memories. And that's all it takes to create memories in Google Photos. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in how you organize and enjoy your pictures. A little time spent naming albums clearly and choosing the right photos can help you build a library that's much easier to explore later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.